Hi guys, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'll show you how to take off a bumper, rear bumper from Subaru Outback 95 through whatever. This is by the style. So first you gotta remove all the plastic panels. They're just held on by little plastic tabs that go inside of the clips. Once you remove that, you gotta get the side pieces off. So first you gotta get this plastic piece off, which is held by a tab. And once you get that off, you can get the side off, and that will expose you to this guys. So they're gonna be covered like this. So you just pop the covers off, and you'll see two bolts. So that's a 17mm bolt. So that's what's holding the reinforcement, because you gotta do the reinforcement first. And once you do the reinforcement, then you just gonna take some stuff off from the sides. So let's get to it. They're big suckers. This is kind of difficult to get to. Damn. That did some work. Two. Oh yeah, it was rusted in. By the way, second beater over there running, and then repeat on this side. Over here. Should probably bring my cordless ratchet here a little bit faster. Number two. Alright, so next step over here, 8mm bolts. Get it. Alright, so then you take up a little plastic clip over here. Mine were kind of rotten, so I just popped them off. There's the pair of dikes from both sides. And see the bottom part is already loose, and then there is a 10mm right here. I think it's 10mm. If I can find it. Actually, let's see if we can get the camera over here.
Hopefully you guys will be able to see it. Because I can't. I'm going blind. Grab this side.
So the bumper's pretty much popping right off. By itself, literally. And then we gotta do this side real quick.
I actually have some kids right now. Because I put the car for part out online. I came in to swap the wheels. Nice kids.
So now this one got original ones, not the forced ones. Alright. Now we just gotta yank this out. Boom, bazooka. Alright, so rest of the reinforcement is held by this stupid plastic clips. I don't know why Subaru does it, and by a bunch of 10mm bolts. I'm just gonna take some of them off. Then we're gonna pray that our Legacy has same exact reinforcement as the Outback did. Don't lose them because they're kind of special tapered bolts. So, those fuckers off. That's pretty much the contraption here. And pretty much go all the way around, and that's it. Your bumper and the reinforcements off. So quick tip, sometimes you get the guy that's just gonna keep spinning and not going anywhere, like this guy. So before you get too frustrated, just persuade it a little bit with a flat head, and then it will go right out. Yeah, because this plastic thread, sometimes it just skip a thread, and that's it. It won't go anywhere. And that's it. Bumper skin is separated from the reinforcement.